The whole damn community basically helps you, hypes you up, you know. And honestly, the trip that I'm at right now, it's perfect.
Who are you?
My name is Richard.
Where are you from?
From Charlotte, North Carolina.
And what do you drive?
I drive a Mazda 6.
What year?
2016.
What trim? What trim?
Grand Touring, yeah.
That's right, baby. Why, of all cars, did you choose a Mazda 6?
Honestly, it wasn't always like my first choice, but it was kind of like something like I was more, how would I say it? I was contemplating between a Honda Accord and a Mazda 6. I know it's always the Honda Accord. I know. But I'm glad I chose the Mazda 6. I don't regret anything. I don't regret anything.
How long have you owned it?
About 5 years.
About 5 years. You bought it brand new?
Yeah, brand new.
Oh
yeah.
Snap. All right.
Love that shit.
All right. Speaking of love, what do you love the most about your Mazda 6?
What do I love the most? Honestly, I love just the feel of the car. You know, it's definitely like the driving experience, you know. Mazda says like, oh yeah, it's like zoom and everything, you know. Oh yeah, we be zooming in that thing. It's not very fast, but I mean, it's zooming. It's zooming.
So you said what you love the most about your Mazda 6. What do you hate the most about your Mazda 6?
I think I hate that we don't have a lot of, I guess, like expansive platform, like not ingenuity. It's more like we just
third party.
Yeah, third party like add-ons and everything like that. Like I mean, like not everyone uses MB tuning. Oh yeah, shout out to them. You know, best fucking parts ever from Russia. But I mean, you know, don't order them yet. You know, but besides that, like you know, they have like certain kits here and there that are like just you know, they're all right. It's not enough, but
all right. So if you could go back to 2016. Would you choose the Mazda 6 again? Or would you choose the Honda Accord?
Honestly.
Or the Camry?
Or the You're making it harder. You're making it harder now. It's Camry. No, I would always choose a Mazda. Honestly. Okay. Mazda, best.
Is it your first Mazda?
First Mazda, yeah.
First one?
First
okay.
Mazda. Yeah, I've had a Camry before. Not my best choice, but you know, it was whatever.
All right. So, what is your favorite modification to your Mazda 6?
Favorite modification? It had to be. I'd have to say the bags. You know what I mean? Yeah. Everyone loves bags. I mean, not everyone, but most people love bags.
Static life.
You know? Yeah.
Grocery bags.
Yeah, they want some of them static boys won't understand. I'm sorry, but it's just fun. It's just fun airing out. You know. Oh yeah, stoplight, Walmart. Yeah, you know, you gotta do it all, like, you know, and it's versatile. You know, not everything can't be getting in with like stat. I mean, I've seen people
full send
anything, everything, Edwin. You know, but you know, I mean, like it works, but I'm not trying to break everything. You know.
What modifications are done to your Mazda 6?
Let me see. So I have. Obviously, the MV tuning kit, the front lip fangs. I have side skirts from MV tuning as well. The rear spats for MV tuning. Some eBay little visors. Oh. I have a Spoiler King rear roof spoiler. Yeah, man. They said they was gonna sponsor me. They lied. They used my picture every time. They were like, swear, but no. M1 list front grill from MV Tuning as well. Oh yeah, they put every damn part of my car. I love that shit. I have Megan toe arms, SPC camber arms, Workmeisters S1 3-piece wheels, extended lower control arms, K-Sport air suspension, K-Sport manual.
K-Sport, okay.
Yeah, had to go with the cheapest one, you know. I like it though. But
you balled out on the RSX.
Oh yeah.
What is next for your Mazda 6? What's the next phase? Is there a next phase?
Basically, I mean, I need a new front bumper. You know, I need to relit my wheels eventually one day. And then I'm gonna get a new color for the car, probably, maybe, one of these days. And then that's probably it. I mean, and maybe upgrade the management.
What is or was your inspiration to modify your Mazda 6?
Honestly, the inspiration to modify my Mazda 6 was, I think his name was Joe. He had a black Mazda 6. New crazy looking bumper. And I was like, holy shit, I want my shit to look like that. I was like, I wasn't even into cars yet. I was just looking at Mazda 6s. I was like, oh, what can I do? I was about to fall into the trap of just putting eBay shit all over my car. You know, fake hood scoop and all that shit. But then I saw his. Then I saw his. And I was like, damn, I need to do something.
Do you have any advice for Mazda 6 owners or people looking to be a Mazda 6 owner?
Advice, honestly, it's an amazing car. If you just take care of it, you know, it'll treat you well. You know, she'll always treat you well. It'll take you far. You know, it'll take you far. And all you need to do is the small stuff. You know, all the small stuff. And honestly, like, if you just lower it and put some wheels on it, that's my advice. Like, I think you enjoy it much more. And I think personally, it's just like your canvas, I guess you could call it.
Yep.
Yeah, piece of art.
What is your favorite thing and or your least favorite thing about the Mazda 6 community?
My favorite thing would be the homies, obviously.
Hey.
You know, yeah, everyone is so nice. You know, we're not a toxic community, you know, unless you're asking dumb questions, like, you know, like really dumb questions. But, you know, like, most part, like, you know, and we're helpful. You know, we already got someone, there he's built, you know. He already made a YouTube video on every damn thing wrong that Mazda has not corrected at all. But, you know, there's small things usually, so, you know, the whole damn community basically helps you, hypes you up, you know. And honestly, the trip that I'm at right now is just, it's perfect. We're not shitting on each other. We're not doing anything like, you know, shady or whatever to each other. You know, it's just nice, calm, collective. We help each other, have fun, you know. It's just all like that. And I think the community's like that. But the thing I don't like about the community, shit. It's the people that do complain. I think someone else already said it. Someone probably already said it. It's the people that complain about Mazda, they hate the Mazda, they whatever. I'm like, dude, like, you don't even give Mazda a chance, you know what I mean, to shine. Like, it's not the fastest car, yes, you know, makes good mileage, once you got a roof rack, you know, but otherwise from that, like, it's just really nice, and people just don't give the time to kind of appreciate it, you know. Like, I went to the show today, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie, like, you know, people kind of slept on it. They were like, oh shit, when they saw it.
Right.
But then they're like, oh, like, well, you know, there's a Supra that I can't afford next to it. So I kind of like that more. I'm like, you gotta give it a chance, you know what I mean? You gotta give the chance there.
People, so anything, like any little last parting words you want to give?
Just go out, get a Mazda.
All right, well, Daddy Rich, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Darius.
Y'all have a good one.